Hello everyone, this is Mark with Christian Ukulele, and today we're doing a song called Holy, 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 a classic of the Christian faith. I'm going to sing through the hymn one time, and if you know how to play, play along. And for those of you who need a little more help, I'll have a tutorial teaching you step by step how to do this song at the end. Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, early in the morning our song shall rise to Thee. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. Holy, 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 all the saints adore Thee, casting down their golden crowns around the glassy sea. Cherubim and seraphim falling down before Thee, who wert and art and evermore shall be. Holy, 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 though the darkness hide Thee, though the eye of sinful man Thy glory may not see. Only Thou art holy, there is none beside Thee, perfect in power, in love and purity. Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, all Thy works shall praise Thy name in earth and sky and sea. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. Now we'll move on to the tutorial section, but first I'd like to invite you to go down to the description box and visit my Patreon page, where you will be able to download a song sheet with the chords and the lyrics so that you can sing and play along. It's a PDF version. You can download it to your device and even print it out if you like. Now the chords we're using are these. We're using a C chord, first finger here on the 3rd fret, first string, an A minor chord, which is, well, first of all, later on we use a C7. C7 is just like a C just slid down here to the 1st fret. So when you have a C, to change it to a C7, you do it like that. Now the A minor, one finger on the 2nd fret, the 4th string, and then G is like a triangle shape. First finger here on the 2nd fret, the 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and on the 3rd fret we've got our ring finger holding down the 2nd string. And let's see, we've got an F chord also, F,
is index finger here on the first fret, second string, and the middle finger on the second fret, the fourth string. Oftentimes when I'm playing it, you can't see it well because I get this ring finger in the way. I try to keep it out of the way so you can see that I'm doing an F chord. Oh, also a D. Yeah. D chord is done like this. It's all on the second fret, and it's all three top strings that you have to cover up to do a proper G. Now I do a G with just two strings. I take a shortcut here. And it's actually a different chord, but it works as a G and it sounds really pretty. So if you ever have a D chord in any song and you want a variation, go ahead and try this. Sometimes it works. In this song, it definitely does. It comes in this part. Early in the morning, our song shall rise. That's where the D is on rise. Rise to thee. And then we go to G. And the G is changed to a G7. Oh, that's one chord I left out. Yeah. Now, from a G, to make it seventh, you have to transfer this finger all the way back there, which is actually impossible. So what you have to do is rearrange the way your fingers are on the strings. So you would move your index finger from here to here. You would put your middle finger on the second fret, the third string, and your ring finger on the second fret, the first string. That would change G to G7. Takes a little practice. I would practice going back and forth. Song shall rise to a G chord, G7. See how pretty that sounds before going into a C? Holy, holy. The arpeggio I was using at the beginning was simply strumming the strings one at a time in order. The fourth string, and then I was using my index finger for the third string, and my middle finger for the second string, and my ring finger for the first string. Of course, the thumb was plucking the fourth string, and I would do it like this. I'm doing a C chord, switch to A minor, holy, then to G, hold, C again, lee, and I would go through all the chords just like that. Now for the strum pattern. I already gave you the arpeggio I was doing. Then for the verse 2, I started to get a little more volume out of the ukulele by strumming down. Holy, holy, so you're just giving it a little more volume. And when you make a chord change, I would accent that strum. For example, the first strum, C, holy, then A minor, holy, G, holy. And I would accent it by strumming it just a little bit slower and a little harder. Holy, holy, holy. So each time I make a change, I'm strumming a little harder and a little slower. And I'm strumming with my thumb. When I make a chord change, I strum with my thumb. And then the other down strums just with the nail of my index finger. Bit of variation. Now for the other parts, for the last two verses, I was strumming, I was doing a combination of strums, but the one that I would suggest is this one. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Let's just do a C chord. So for this strum pattern, we are doing a down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. And if we were counting through the measure, it would be like this. 1, 2, and. On the and we strum up. 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So the 2 count is the only one that has an up strum on the and. 2 and. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. If we're playing the song, it'd be like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Now, if you're just beginning, I would stick to just the down strums. Well, thanks for sticking with me all the way to the end of the video. This tutorial on how to play Holy, Holy, Holy. My name is Mark for Christian Ukulele. And remember to continue praising the Lord on 4 strings.